project. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'll show you the same data. I'll just drag and drop. Okay. So meanwhile, it'll just take 2 minutes or something. Let me go here. I'll just drag and drop. Okay. I'll say create a complete project. I'll say complete dashboard. Complete dashboard with reports, filters, navigations for all the pages, and create a very attractive homepage. Okay. Navigations. Okay. Make sure the reports are very much meaningful and balanced. Okay. So now I'll say I want an output in HTML. Right? Why I'll tell you. Now I'll just run this. This I'm not doing in Power BI. You see how much time it will take. Say 10:25 is what we started. I'm just checking the usage as well. So let me check this. People, it'll just take 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, don't worry. I'm just checking whether I have the tokens to work on this. Claude has become very slow nowadays. Okay, let it take some time. So meanwhile, if people want to speak, we just keep speaking. So we'll finish it off. Yeah, Shiva, you were telling something. Sorry.
That's what I told you, sir. If we use any other languages, so it is very difficult for us to create the dashboard like this. It takes a lot of time.
Mhm.
No, I haven't created, but the such a way which I have seen that here is the the whatever the prompt which we give in ChatGPT, that formulas and all, so that is very important. Basically, we should concentrate about that. That is what I learned.
Yes. But let me tell you, all of you,
Yeah, without.
please make sure, 1 minute, Shiva, I'll tell. Make sure that you will understand all the fundamentals, the basic things. Okay, because if people have undergone all the other traditional trainings and some of the AI trainings as well. Now today it has become very easy. But suppose if you don't know anything and directly if you start working on a project, it is not so easy. Okay, that's why I'll always tell you people work, learn from basic, from scratch, the fundamentals, the basic things. If you know, then working on these kind of projects will just take half an hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, what we did, we can finish it off. Otherwise, we'll be keep struggling. Okay, it's only 6%, so we can do that. Let's see. I'll show you wonderful dashboard, how it looks actually. So here we struggled so much, right, for creating this. In Claude, if you're creating, it'll create a wonderful dashboard. Let me just show you. So it was 10:25 what we started. So now it is 10:28. So almost 3 minutes. Let's see. Maybe my system or I don't know, Claude is little slow. Otherwise, by this time could have been created. The entire thing, whatever we did here, right? So now we're actually trying to do that in HTML, which is like a web page. Okay. We can create the same thing in Excel as well. Directly, it will create, the Claude will create, but Power BI, it will not create. That is the problem. Only thing it can create is it can modify the table. It can create some, measures, all these things it can do, but it is still not able to create the visualizations. But for that, we can write some programs and we can do. But again, I have to teach all these programs for the people. That's why I just kept that on hold. So we'll see after Python or something, we'll come back and we'll see if you can do that. Okay. Right. So any others feeling confused or you want to tell something? Let this get finished. So you see this project and then only you can leave. Okay. So we can 4 minutes, sorry. I think it's because I gave this as advanced reports. See, it is generating complete. You can see that. You can actually watch all this. That is the one good thing in the cloud. But in ChatGPT, we cannot see all this. It will directly go and give the output. So just creating so many things. That's why. Okay. Just another 1 minute. Okay. Performance. It is creating. I think last report. Last report. Done. Okay. See how many lines of code it has written. I mean, it's just trying to finalize all this. So people, HTML we can create wonderful things, but the thing is, if you want to do it in Power BI, so all these reports we have to create as of now. Okay, soon they'll make that also completely AI generated. So we'll have to wait. But in Excel we can do this. Complete the project we can do in Excel. I could have not given this advanced. You just observe this, how fast and how it is actually creating all these codes. If we have to write this code, how much time will it take? See, so, sorry people, I should have given this as a simple report only. But anyways, it's good actually, you know how actually we can create advanced reports as well. So the HTML is ready, okay, but it is trying to finalize this. So many lines of codes. And you see the prompt, how much I can see. Very simple prompt. And you see, you can create apps, you can create websites, because so many things you can do actually. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, done. Now it is connecting to data. It is done actually. Just trying to connect with the data and few checks it is doing. So you can go and check a step by step. It is checking some errors also now. I'm just scared if this gets over, otherwise, it will stop. So all our efforts will go. So 42% test statement. The mistake what I did is I gave this as advanced. Sorry, people, for making you people wait. Just 2 more minutes. Okay, I just want to show you, the entire thing, how actually you can do by using this AI tool. That's it. It's done. Done. Okay. All right. So very sorry, people, to make you people wait. Just say this. Okay. Okay, let it get finished. It is just giving the reports here. Click on this download. So it is downloading. I'll just show you this. After that, we'll close the session. Just few seconds. That's it. Let's see. Right. See this, people. Just observe this. This is the project what Claude has created. Okay. Just observe this thing. Okay. Now I can see the total number of employees, attrition rate, then whatever we had created here, right? So everything you can see here, not only this, see here, demographics. Can you see this? I have written only one simple code. Can you see this? And this is dynamic, people. See your department and say finance. Can you see that? See, everything is dynamic. You see, compensation. Here also we have all the reports here. See, performance. See here. You can see all the filters what I gave. That also is there here. See, attrition. See the reports. Employee directory. See, this give all the data here like this. It's crazy actually. Seriously, it is crazy. See, I want to search some name. See. Even if you want to create this as an website, or say like this, if you want to create a report, it will take, I don't know how many days it will take. We just see. That's why I give advanced reports, right? So you can see that. See here, when I actually started creating this, I was so surprised. First time when I did this. Okay, I've done so many projects like this by using this Claude. You just observe this, how neat it is. To this extent, actually, we can create the reports, by using this Claude. Okay, and see, even we'll have this, all this, tooltip, what we call, see. Right. Now, people tell me, how did you feel seeing this? And then you saw this, right? I just showed how much I used. Say, I just used very small, prompt here. If you would have given some more prompt, it would have given some more good things actually. But This itself took 9 minutes actually because of this advanced reports had given. But still, it's worth watching this, right? People,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So like this, we can actually create the reports now. Okay, right, people. So thank you so much. I'm very sorry for making you people wait. While working, this is how it will take some time. So we need to have some patience. Okay, but start working. Okay, start using AI tools. Companies are actually behind this AI tools. Okay, if these things can be done in just 5 minutes, 10 minutes, why will they not go for this, right? But the only problem is the cost. See here, I told you, right? Here it is taking almost how much it took. 40% of my tokens have been taken, but still it's worth. Okay, right, people. So thank you so much. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Maybe we'll start with the Python or Tableau. I don't know. I'll just plan and I'll come back with new. Oops. Okay, but how did the people feel? Except, if people waited, how did the people feel?
Uh, to be frank, today class very excited, sir.
Okay, but work on
The
that should. Okay,
Sure, sir.
others.
Sure, sir. Yeah, definitely.
the
I,
the last part, cloud was very clear and it was very easy to navigate also, sir.
Yeah. No, that complete it is HTML. Okay, complete HTML. We cannot write the codes like that because we are not the programmers, right? If you go and check, I was showing you that codes, right? You know how it was running. The code was creating so much of code was actually running. Okay, right. Varsha, I know it is completely new for you, right, Varsha?
Yeah, yeah, but it was good, sir.
Yeah, but still you are able to understand something.
Yeah, yeah, I was.
Yeah. So I actually asked Kartha to make you
Uh-huh.
attend so that you'll at least
Uh-huh.
understand what Power BI is. Okay. I know you would have not understood technically anything, but you could understand something, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
So how was the class?
Yeah, it was good, sir. Like, it was nice.
Okay, fine. Sure, people. Thank you so much. I think we learned a lot of things today, and we also waited for some time. So I'll catch you guys on Monday. So happy weekend. Take care, all of you. Good night. Bye bye.
thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, sir.